Hey guys, welcome back. So today we are reviewing the BXcellent Pro Gaming Headset. And let me tell you, I'm excited because these look like they are wicked. So right away we see they are nice and stylish. Check that out. Is that not cool or what? The mic is stylish. So you get the headset. So there is also an on-off button here, as well as a volume control right there. You get two of these. That way when you're talking, it's not, your voice is not muffled and it's crisp and clear. You also get an extension, so this allows you to plug it into your system or your computer from far away. And they also supply you with adapter as well as directions. So when you go ahead and plug them in, they alternate color, which is pretty awesome. The camera's not picking up how nice the color really is, but it is beautiful in person. It's so cool. And the mic actually lights up as well. Is that not cool or what? That is awesome. So guys, the mic is fully adjustable, so you can turn the wire, the cable like that, but you can also lift it up and down as well, so you can position it perfectly. So far, the bass and everything is great. We're listening to music right now. We're gonna go ahead and pause the video here and turn on a game and test it out. Hey guys, so I'm recording a video review while I am gaming here. So we are on a computer, so yeah, just ignore me if I don't play the best, but yeah, I'm testing out, actually right now I'm testing out a headset. And I gotta be honest with you guys, it's actually it's a very good headset. It's by BXcellent. Yeah, it's good quality. I'm actually impressed. I mean, I don't think that, well, you know what? I think the headset might actually make me better playing my game. I can actually hear you guys sneaking up behind me. So, hey, I think it's working out good. Alright guys, I'm getting back to my game here now that I got shot and died in the game. But I can say these work great. I absolutely love them. They're stylish, they're comfortable. You can adjust it up top here. You can adjust the microphone. You can play with it, get it closer, get it further away. You know, whatever you guys want to do. You want to put that on as well. You can go ahead and do that, and you can still see the color. So whatever you guys want to do works good. The guys on the game could hear me good. Everything works good. I'm happy with it, and I love that it's got RGB lights, LED lights. That's pretty awesome.